Hello, this is Jesus Villegas with RWC Group, and today we're going to talk about this 2021 International LT625 tandem axle day cab. So if you take a look here, really quiet engine. This is because of a 13-liter International 826 diesel engine. It has 400 horsepower, and the transmission is a 12-speed automated. All right, brand new tires all around, even the rears. Sliding fifth wheel. Nice sturdy catwalk. It also comes with a collision mitigation system, adaptive cruise control, and late departure warning. All right, you can take a look inside. Open it here. No torn seats. Very nice. Nice AC. Also has 151,000 miles. So come in and take a look at it. Come and see me. My name is Jesus Villegas with RWC Group, and my phone number is 562-299-3732.